Hello, hello, my darlings, and come on and talk to me while I'm out here working in my garden. So, this goes out to the gentleman that I met in Menards today. I am about to show you all how to replant a household plant. Now, let me give you a little context about this baby right here. This is indeed my baby. I have had this baby since my first day in college. My baby's name is Stemy. I'll drop in the comments, sorry, not the comments, the description, what type of plant Stemy is. But Stemy been rocking with me, okay? Stemy is a soldier. It has survived, or he rather has survived every single dorm room I've ever lived in, every apartment, every home. And it's time for me to upgrade Stemy's life. Like, he's been a soldier. He's a survivor in the sense of my fur baby loves to snack on him. So I had to bring him out here, give him a little extra TLC. It rained yesterday, so rainwater is good for all our plants. So I let him get some of that good old rainwater. I let him sit in this pan here with a little bit of water because I do feel as though he was just a tad bit dehydrated. But the type of plant that Stemy is prone to root rot. So I'm going to show you a small little trick as I'm repotting Stemy that you can utilize to try to prevent that. But y'all, if you need a good household plant that will last throughout the years, that is low maintenance, Stemy is for you. Alright, so, and you can kind of see Stemy is, let's just put it this way, Stemy been rocking with your girl over 10 years, okay? I'm not going to tell my whole age. But, alright, so, this will be Stemy's new home. Stemy is getting an upgrade. Now, the very first tip that I would suggest is to make sure that you have something below it, because you want to make sure it has drainage holes in it. So this one came with 4 drainage holes in it, which is good enough. But once again, you want to make sure that, because you know, soil is precious, okay? So what we're going to start off with, I am going to put, actually this was my first year, my very first succulents that I purchased, but I want to go ahead and put this in the bottom. The reason why is because it's fast drying. So this is the soil that you use if you have a succulent. Once again, I'm putting this in because Stemy is prone to root rot, and we don't want none of that. So that is the only reason why I put this in here. Now, if Stemy was not prone to root rot, then I would just go ahead and use the soil that's already there. So I'm going to actually be correct this go around. Y'all know usually I just get right on in it with my hands, but even it out here. Okay. And this is Stemy, y'all. Oh, Stemy is so big. I'm trying to be mindful of all of his legs, arms, and whatnot. And before this video is over, I'm going to show you how you can share if you have this type of plant, that you can easily share your plant. So I was feeling a certain kind of way. I can admit I was being a little stingy. But I'm going to go ahead and share some pieces of Stemy. I'm going to let Stemy bless some other folks' life. So I'm going to show you how to do that. But as you can see, I just picked Stemy right on up. And now Stemy is in the pot. Now, the next thing that I am going to do, I'm going to move this out of the way. This caught the rainwater and all that other things. Move that out of the way. Now, this goes along with the conversation that I was having in Menards today. The question becomes, when should you purchase expensive soil and when you should not? Well, Stemy is already thriving. Stemy is a low maintenance plant, as well as I put fertilizers in there. Look how long Stemy is. I was like, what's still holding it? So I'm going to end up wrapping that around. Menards got a sale of soil, and it was like it was under $1.50. That's the soil that I'm going to use. By all means, don't feel as though you have to purchase super expensive soil for your plant to thrive, because if you fertilize it, And if you give the plant specifically what your plant needs, you good, boo. You can actually implant nutrients into your soil. So, I'll see how long it takes. This is why I decided that I'm going to share him. And actually, you know what? Since I have a long strand right here, I'm going to show you. Do you see these areas right here? Those are the joints. If you wanted to share your plant like this, or you know someone who has a plant like this, and you want, because this entire family is the same case, because you see where the new leaves sprout out of the joint, go ahead and cut it at the joint and place it in water. So, Exhibit A right here. These are a few little strands that I'm going to give to some friends that need some good companions. It's going to provide them good companionship and, you know, not bring no bad to them. Of course, keep in mind that these plants give you fresh oxygen and all that other stuff. Alright, so we have our topsoil here. Just because I don't want to overdo it, I'm going to scoop it out and place it around where Stemy already is. Now, in a moment, after I get a little soil in here, you're going to notice that I'm going to massage Stemy's roots. The reason why I'm doing that is because I want Stemy to know it's okay to grow. You're in a bigger pot. Be free. You have clumps of soil like this, take your hand and break them up, because you want air and nutrients to still be able to get through the soil. Alright? And once again, I don't know how long this manure cell will go, but this was soil for basically like $1.50. And now something else that I actually learned earlier this week, Dollar Tree. Y'all heard me, Dollar Tree has soil for $1, but it's limited supply and it's right in the beginning of planting season. So I plan on getting on that. Alright, I'm going to do one more scoop, and now it's time for me to massage Stemy's roots. Once again, this is reminding Stemy it's okay. You have room to grow now. Grow, my baby. Branch out. You don't have to just stay small like you were before. Now this is a way larger planter than I intended on going with, but because it's going in my bay window, this is also, as I'm sure you can tell, a great hanging plant. It's going in my bay window, so I'm going to wrap the long stems in a circle. Now it's time to pour. And now I keep talking about adding fertilizer. I don't have it outside with me because of course it goes for my indoor plants, but there are indoor plant fertilizers that you can buy. And just stick it in their little spikes and it feeds the plant. It gives the plant exactly what it needs. And my Stemy is officially repotted. I'm going to check back in with you all so you can see how I'm going to circle it around and how Stemy will run. Right, and here is Stemy all repotted and ready to go back in the bay window. Look at Stemy, looking like a young man, a young spruce man. And here's that snake plant looking good, and there's the chicky babies.